My name is Nishta.
My name is Abrar.
My name is Hugo.
My name is Ming.
My name is Vivin.
I'm Garrett.
Hey everyone, I'm Shivalika.
I'm Jasper.
My name is Kajendra.
And our little big team is called the Yorkies. Our product is a web application called CheckIt.
So our mission is to help decrease the search time and the opportunity cost associated with the student planning out their school schedule. And we're going to discuss the app services with Hugo.
The fact is, if you like to know the courses, the first things you're going to do is searching the course you are looking for. Our app is provide lots of options for searching the courses based on the time slots. And at the same time, the app can track the degree progress as well, and also save the information of the complete courses based on the feature of the GPA calculation. Let me pass the talk to Ming. It's about the impact.
Come this way. Come this way. Just come through.
So the CheckIt reduces additional stress while enrolling into courses. So right now, we have to manually check our degree progress with the handbook, and then compare with the current course offerings on the York University website. So basically, the CheckIt automates all the process. It will let you know what courses you need, and it will let you know if you can take this course right now, and also provides flexibility when you're planning your timetable. So you can search for courses, for a specific time slot. So it's much easier to arrange time for different courses. And then we'll have a demo from Garrett and Vivian.
So I wanted to just show you how it's all put together by showing you the demo of the user interface. So once you get logged on to CheckIt, you have the sign in or you can sign up. So Garrett's just going to sign into his account. Once he's signed in, he has three choices. He can either check his prerequisites, find a class, or add courses. So Garrett, why don't you go ahead and add a course? So for instance, you can add a course that you've recently taken already. So what have you taken? Okay. And what mark did you get? Don't lie.
Yeah, I did really well.
Okay, all right. So add that class. Once he adds a class, it's added to the database over here. It's going to automatically calculate your GPA, which is considering all courses that are already in there, and it shows you all the courses that you've already taken. So just go back to the main page. And now we're going to go ahead and find a class and time for a certain class. So say, for example, Garrett has work on Mondays from like 9 to 5, and he wants to find a class after 6 p.m. You can search Monday and search 6 p.m. So that's going to show the classes that are available only to him that he can take at 6 p.m. So just go back and search no time on Monday. And this will be all the classes that are available to him. So they're not going to show the classes that are available to different faculties, only the ones that are available for him to take. So go back and to the main page. And now we're just going to check his prerequisites. So say he is in the Bachelor of Science program. It's going to show, based on all the courses that he's already added to the database, which courses that he's completed and which he has left to get that degree. So in this case, he's completed 2 out of 8 courses. But say he decides that he wants to do the Bachelor of Honors Science program, he can go into there and see that he needs additional 4 courses to complete. So now I'm going to pass it on to Garrett to see exactly how it was put together in terms of the implementation and some of the constraints that we ran into.
So we developed a web application using Node.js and Express.js, which allows us to use JavaScript on the back end. We use this particularly to get information from our MySQL database, which is actually running on my local machine. And we used it in order to calculate queries based on the data that we needed to receive. So if we needed, the prerequisites for a Bachelor of Science versus Bachelor of Honors, we grab the right information to check it versus the other requirements that you actually have. Our biggest challenge in developing this application was with the back end, especially with the SQL database and storing stuff. a lot of us are in 1001, so we haven't even, half of us haven't taken 2000 level classes yet, let alone the 3000 level class would actually teach us some of this stuff. Luckily, I've had a little bit of experience, so I was able to set up at least a basic demo for us to show to you guys. So now I'm going to pass it off.
Hey everyone, you have already seen what we could have done and what we did in these 2 days. Now I'm gonna tell you what we could have done more if we had like some more time. First is course optimization scheduler. So for some of the people like me who live really far from the campus, it takes really long to commute and it wouldn't be like, we won't like to have classes late at night. So this kind of tool can help you to decide the time slot which goes best with you. And it's also for the people who are
How would they use the project?
Yeah, so this was really like a minimal viable product. We really just wanted to show people how it would work. Maybe we were under the understanding that register office, some people might be here and they might be able to take some of the ideas or some of the, at least the thoughts that we're getting away from it. I 100% agree that it's lacking some of those parts, but we have a limited
It's a
time.
really good demo though.
Okay, thank you.
Really, really good work.
So yeah, we need also, we were planning on working with some of the advisors and trying to flesh out most of the details. So obviously you can't finish a computer science degree with just 8 courses. It's not that easy. So we need to expand on more of the requirements and figure out the minute details that a student faces. So then, because this is what advisors face, a lot of these students are asking questions on, oh, do I need to take this course? Will this course count for my major? So.
And also just another point on that is, for example, me, I moved degrees, so I started off in business, I ended up moving to computer science. So if I had a tool like this earlier, I might have been able to say, okay, well, maybe I'm thinking about going to computer science, I can start taking some of these classes, and then I'd have even less work when I actually moved over.
Yep.
So, let us know which faculty you're from.
I'm from engineering and science.
Am I from Lassong?
I'm also from LaSalle doing computer science.
Listen,
Lassonde Computer Science.
listen.
Lasan.
Yeah, everyone here is from Lassonde. all these guys are from comp sci. I think I'm the only engineering student here. So, we made it.